Hello and welcome to my video lecture on just taking a look at some web application software that's out there, letting you know what they do, what their differences are. So, web browsers, these are the 5 major web browsers that are out there. This is certainly not an exhaustive list. There are other web browsers, but these are the primary 5. We have Chrome. We'll be using Chrome for the majority of this course. Chrome is been put out by Google, and it is available and runs on all major operating systems. Firefox is put out by Mozilla. It's also available for all major operating systems. Internet Explorer is put out by Windows and will really only run on Windows. Sorry. Safari is published by Apple, and that will only work on the Apple operating system. Currently right now it's OS X. Who knows what it'll be when you see this video. Opera has been published by Opera Software, and it is available for Windows and Apple's OS X. Again, OS X at this point. We also have web servers. So web servers are the software that will run on a web server. There are 2, again, primary ones that are out there, Apache and Microsoft's IIS. Apache is an open source web server. We will be using that for this course. Most of the time, Apache is used in what's known as a LAMP stack, a Linux, Apache, MySQL, PHP stack. You'll hear that quite often. And if you have set up your computer for this course, then you know that you had to set it up. We set up everything using a package called XAMPP, and the X being you can run this on anything. So you can download XAMPP and put it on Linux. You can put it on your Apple computer. You can put it on your Windows PC, and it'll all work. IIS is Microsoft's web server. It'll only run on the Windows operating system, and it primarily supports Microsoft's Active Server Pages.net and the MySQL server. You know, that also includes VB.net, another Microsoft product. And then we have server-side languages. So what does that mean? That means when this code gets sent using an HTTP request, it'll get processed on the server. So languages such as PHP, which is what we're going to use for this course, JSP, which is Java Server Pages, ASP.NET, which is Active Server Pages, languages like Perl, languages like Python, all get processed on the server. So these are all server-side languages. You'll notice that Java is not on here. Java is a client-side language, which is how a lot of applications are written in Java to be run on the client. We are going to write in PHP, which is a language that's processed and handled on the server side, along with these other languages. And then there are database servers. Again, as with all of these lists, this is not an exhaustive list. These are the primary database servers that are available. For this course, we're going to be using MySQL. MySQL is, again, an open source database that will run on any of the major operating systems. You've got Oracle that is put out by Oracle, and again, will run on all major operating systems, but it's primarily made for, a Linux, Unix environment. DB2 is IBM's database server, and again, is available for all major operating systems. And Microsoft has its SQL Server, but it will only run on the Windows operating system and Windows servers. So that's really kind of an overview of the different web application softwares that are out there. And that is the end of that video lecture.